How does that miss? Literally goes right through him. Hello? Come here, shiny boy. Oh, good moves. Good moves, good moves. Dude. Trying to backstab me, bro? Patience, young grasshopper. Patience, young grasshopper. Patience, young grasshopper. I'm in a very bad little horsey, dude. Wow, this is a really good angle, dude. 10 out of 10 game, dude. This could have been so much easier, sunshine. Nice, dude, nice. Got him.
You can't hide forever, you know.
The powders, bro, the powders. The powders. Pressure valve. Let go of your fear. It's holding you back. Come here, Connie. Yeah, do it. No, no, come back, come back. Love never dies. Yeah. Easy, dude, easy. Got you like a pig, boy. Just leaving the doors open. Oh yeah, isn't this Johnny Level 0? Wait, how are we killing all of them? Who? Who? Should be checking gates, but we can go exterior one if it's better. Okay, so you got battery open. Is this a 3-stack? I think it is. Hey, we're a 3-stack? Man, you guys are losing to a level 0 Johnny, dude? That's crazy, bro. I wonder if this gets Grandpa to 5. 121. Ah, he's feet again. What the fuck? He fed him like 9 blood. What the fuck? Alright, where you at, Leland? Ah, there you are. You are here. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. It's gonna go down the well, I'm guessing. Oh, he died? Oh, yeah. He barged. Barbara. One is one. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, shake and bake. Oh, you got a little shake and bake. Okay. You're trying to be smart. Okay, bro. No, dude, he has a brain, dude. He has a brain. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Ooh. Fortunately, like, Leatherface does not have a brain. Oh, will you show me? Okay. Ooh, not too smart that time. Not too smart that time. Oh, that hit him nice, dude. Nice, dude, nice. Come back, come back, come back. Ooh, GG easy, let's go, baby. 3K, woo, woo, woo. Fucking hell yeah, bruh. Sheesh, goddamn. I still got it. Got you like a pig, boy. I still got it. That's Cook's line, though.
Right before this is over.
It'll be a blast, baby. me a blast, baby.
Well, hello. Well, hello.
Oh, hello. It'll be so much easier. Hit her twice, nice. Okay.
They'll be loving me soon enough.
Yeah. GG easy. And you guess you like a people. Alright, Danny's up top. I can handle myself. Oh, I got another one. Nice. How does that feel? Hello. Another one. Another one, dude. Gotcha. Got you like a pig, boy. Ooh, I like how she's doing a voice line and then it just switches to another voice line.